What's up, everyone? It's Gabby Trace, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our live stream session today, where we are going to try to catch some trades together. I know I started a little bit early. We're gonna wait for everyone to join. Stanimir, can you let me know how's the music? Are we like too loud or not? Okay, let's give it like 1 minute and wait for everyone to join. Let's see if I closed everything. Yes, I think we're good. Am I receiving notifications here? Probably not. It's good. Okay, good. All right, everyone. So market bounced back yesterday. We saw that. Hopefully you guys are watching my pre-market updates because it takes a lot of time to do them for you in the morning, and they're quite packed with a lot of value, and you're going to learn a lot from these videos if you watch them early pre-London session. Is quite important. But of course, if you want to be the earliest of everyone, you have to be on Discord, because that's where I put the first signal in the morning for what the bias is for the rest of the day, and these ones are the most valuable. So everyone, make sure to hit the like button, smash it, obliterate it. Let's get the most likes today, because it's a special day today. We finally hit 3,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone for me. Like, honestly, a lot of people are gonna tell you, oh my God, 3,000 subs is nothing. I got like 30,000, 60,000. Who cares, dude? We just started like a year ago in like the worst market conditions. And by the way, I want to say that when the market was doing good, we were one of the channels that had the most viewership relative to subscribers, even to like the biggest channels, because I have systems that I can track that with. So, you know, even though it's quiet right now and everyone is away, I understand the markets look absolutely horrible. Anywho, we're long with the community from the true week open down here on Bitcoin, also ETH. The reason is because that's the model that we trade, right? RTM for the win. It didn't look like we're gonna get anything, but this structure down here is very favorable to continue a little bit to the upside for a potential, you know, just a leg up, nothing more, right? Just a leg up. We're not expecting much more, because honestly, even when I look at this Bitcoin chart, like even if we run it up to 771K, which is going to eventually test the true months open, this is what we're looking at. It means pretty much nothing in this overall picture. Took my lunch now. Let's fucking go. Yay! You guys, make sure to chat in the chat box. I want to see you active in the chat box, because this helps us grow our community and pushes the video to more people, which is essentially what the goal is here, right? To grow our brilliant, lovely community, which is honestly so amazing. Everyone shows up in the morning first thing, says, hey guys, how are you? Good morning. I absolutely love it. So anyways, yeah, so that was it, right? We had quite a substantial break here on you know, the 1 hourly time frame, came up with some volume, broke through true week open. So naturally we know what to do, because the bias is bullish. We want to be participating from the true week open. This is according to our strategy. In order to find out more about it, you guys, you know what to do. Please click in the description box. I don't want to teach you what to do. You guys know everything is in the description box. And by the way, I also added the tipping section. So if you want to test it, nobody has done it so far. Nobody has ever tipped me on that stream, but here is the link. Let's try it, see if it works, you guys. If you want to do it, the Discord access is here, and all the trading materials are down here. So yeah, it's kind of weird spot right now for Bitcoin. When I look at it, let's actually remove this area, although it's very important and I don't want to kind of like mess with it a little bit. I probably did, but currently where we're trading, if we zoom in a little bit, even on the 1 hour time frame, look at this. You have a double top. You kind of take the double top here, and then you retrace, and now you're kind of reacting from it one more time. And this is actually at the Asia high as well that you're getting this reaction. So the setup is very fragile. I'm not gonna lie. Market Watch. Let's see what Market Watch is saying. No, I don't have any tax questions. Just give me relative important news that we care about, please. So this is the problem, right? The setup, even though we have a little bit of volume, it is still fragile, but rallies within this bear trend are very possible, like short term, of course. Nothing's going to change within, you know, this trend for a very, very long time. You need to remember, if we go on a higher time frame, do we have a clearer chart? We probably do. Even that chart is kind of messy. But we are, you know, we're retesting levels from back in 2021, right? And we're kind of losing them. It's not like we're holding them. We're pretty much losing these levels at the moment. We had, you know, a crazy bearish consolidation from which we sold off quite nastily. And pretty much, you know, the verdict is still to the downside, but for now we just trade what we can see. So any rallies that we can catch, which we did with the community, of course we are long at the moment. Ethereum, same thing. A little bit stronger at the moment, thank God. But again, you know, this is some sort of distribution here, and we are kind of rallying a little bit within a bearish range. So it means absolutely nothing. Even if we run it to $2,000, even if we run it to 2,148, which are our 2 daily SR flip zones. What does that mean, you guys? Well, that means resistances in this case, correct? I'm gonna try and go a little bit slower. Solana, just monitoring at the moment. For me, this is still, you know, a bearish consolidation, no doubt about it. We're stuck in between these two ranges at the moment, range high, range low, and we don't want to lose the $72, right? We don't want to lose $72 on Solana, because if we lose $72 for Solana, look at it, it's pretty much empty, right? It's pretty much empty. It's going to be a straight up line. Let's look at the chart a little bit. Look at these lows down here. This is Solana. This is how you need to be looking at the chart, right? This is liquidity. So if we lose these levels down here, we're probably going to shoot for this liquidity down here, which is sitting at about $52. So yeah, next thing you know, you're going to be retesting $52 on Solana if we don't hold this level. Eventually, probably is going to happen. My midnight here for Australia. That's nice. Midnight for Australia. I like that. I actually never been to Australia. I have no idea what's going on in there. Besides, there is lots of bugs and stuff, which I'm terrified from. Now, of course, gold is one thing that I'm interested in. So I've been scalping today gold on like the 15-second time frame, 1 minute time frame with the community on Discord. One more time, you guys, make sure to join. Keep the chat active. Let me know what you guys are doing. Have you been trading anything, or are you just staying completely away, which is totally understandable. So today I've been trading all of this mess over here on a very low time frame, actually. So it was actually pretty good. Not too much return, but good scalps overall on the 1 minute. Let's have a look at what's happening right now and what time. We still have time. 8:30 just came, so we're consolidating a little bit now on the lower time frame over here. Let's see which levels we're at. Trading above true day open, so that's not too bad. So overall, for gold, I took a break this afternoon, which I regret, to be honest, because this area down here was so clean, perfectly retested. This is the kind of things that we teach in the RTM, you know, mentorship, trading mentorship. You guys, make sure to check it out. So the thing is, yeah, look at this. This is usually how I catch these sniper entries. Exactly this type of setup is one of my favorite up here. So that was a very clean long, but unfortunately I was napping. So still long on gold since yesterday open, so now just in profit. Yeah, that's very good. Yeah, I remember you mentioned that yesterday, so that's great. So yeah, for now we're gonna just look at what's happening with the volume sessions on a 5 minute time frame to see if we're gonna get any opportunities. So yeah, I was literally shorting here on the 15 seconds. So this short candle, not all of it, just even partial of that 5 minute candle I caught. Check Tau 1 hour. Yeah, we're gonna check Tau. So there is still a potential for price to reverse here. This is what I want to see, because it is an area of interest. but it depends really on the timing, what's happening. For now, it's kind of protecting the area. It's kind of bullishly consolidating at the moment. So we're just gonna have to wait it out a little bit more. But we do have a range on gold here. Let's check how it's still developing. So this is yeah, the range from yesterday. Currently beating 0.5, not too bad. 0.786 is going to remain a sell zone. Let's see if we have anything else potential here. I kind of like this area. We did a premium of the bearish range. That's not going to be too bad. Even though we're coming from the 0.5, we're still coming from the 0.236, which was the perfect buy, obviously, down here to chase the 0.786. So let's see. We're gonna wait for it a little bit. In the meantime, we're gonna check on Tao. We need crypto, not stocks. And we need for the keyboard to work. Where's Tao? The heck? Where is... Oh yeah, we're not in crypto. Hold on. Let's check one of the Tao charts. Okay, good. Not a bad area. Good formation on the 1 hour time frame. I like it. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Okay, daily. Let's actually start with what we need. First of all, we have reached this range, so we don't need it anymore, unfortunately. For Tao, still very bearish, right? Still very bearish. You have a potential break over here with this little range, but you don't have a body close. It's just wicks. So, you know, these wicks over here are showing me that this is not enough to push price up, right? So yeah, you are retesting some areas right now, but it doesn't mean anything on the daily, at least for now. 12 hourly, same thing. Liquidity shows that this potentially could get strength up to $300. That would be crazy if that happens. I doubt it, but it's possible. The thing is, right, you had this whole look at these candles over here. Hold on, let's look on the daily. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Bearish candles over here, and then you came back and you filled pretty much the whole thing after the break over here. So that's like a bearish retest right now. So this pump is a bit sus, to be fair. Is anybody ever going to tip me? I get it, everyone's really poor. I wish I had like really rich people watching me. That would be very cool. That's too low of a time frame for me right now. Hold on. Yeah, so this high is strong at the moment, even though we have this liquidity up here. This high is still strong, so I don't know, we might get a rejection here. At this level around 181. Very sus. One thing I know for a fact, I wouldn't probably be long down here on Tao. Probably not. The breakout is nice. The retest of the breakout is also kind of nice. Not my thing at the moment. Like, I'm trying to stay away as much as I can from altcoins. You guys need to remember, there's lots of you tried and what it didn't work. Yeah, I do trade XRP. I trade everything when it's time. You need to remember that crypto is a momentum-driven asset class, right? So the momentum is right now to the downside. Do you understand? So that's unless you're trading shorts, the momentum is driven to the downside right now, in the opposite direction of what we would like it to be. So that's the problem with crypto at the moment. Also, you need to remember that, you know, guys like huge Bitcoin holders that have been holding Bitcoin since 2009, they've been selling right now. Do you know what I mean? Like, you need to think about the fact that these people are selling now. You know, they're not selling when Bitcoin was 100K. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to miss anything here, so let's just watch it. Potential. Let me just have my thing open here if I need to pull the trigger on something. I have to increase size a little bit here. Not yet. We're not ready for gold. So yeah, you need to remember that these people are selling right now. You know, they're not selling when Bitcoin was 100K. Like, why? What's the reason they're selling right now? That's what you need to ask yourself. 30 people watching. We need 15 more likes. 50% low on the likes is unacceptable. Thank you guys so much for being here. Kenshin Atelier is here. Kenshin, what are you doing in your atelier? Can you tell us? XRP, we're gonna look at it right now. Looks kind of good on the 4-hour time frame. There was a little bit of bounce with the buy zone. So anytime I come on Discord, right, and I say, okay, the bias is bullish for Bitcoin today, obviously the alts are gonna pump as well with that. XRP, extremely difficult to get an edge at this very moment. My ideal situation for XRP is long from the 0.236, which I'm not, because I'm retarded. So 0.236 was the sniper entry. If I was in here, I'm happy to hold. With the rest of the trades, why not? Like, if I trade Bitcoin, why not? But at the moment, I'm just trying to reduce my risk as much as possible. So when I place a trade on Bitcoin, I place a trade on Ethereum as well. And that's it. Because if I start XRP, if I start Tau, if I start, you know, it's just too much risk. I can't do that right now. Let's look at Pippin, because this thing is crazy. Eventually it's gonna rug, dude. Like, you know that, right? Do I need to tell you? Like, who's washing money here? What are you guys doing? I don't understand. But this is just, it's kind of hard, in my opinion, to get an edge with an asset that just runs out of nowhere like this. Yeah, to me that's like, I rather go in the casino and just you know, play some a roulette or something. But anyways, you do have the liquidity sitting here at 0.65. So Blederamstadt, if you are looking to short, I guess you probably have a case here. Just not my thing. Potential profit taking area here, you have another zone that price could bounce for, like around 0.59. Nice liquidity here gathering that you can just take, so not too bad, I guess. Just not my thing. I'm happy that the long is working on Bitcoin. So that's that. Let's just focus on what we can get from gold today. Actually, this could develop quite nicely. Since we have the liquidity here, if we manage to push it up here in that zone, this is triangular formation. The indicators showing the liquidity down here on gold, $5,000. This is actually nuts. If we drop down to $5,000, that'll be a good area to start looking for longs. But anyway, point is, the indicators are there for you guys. You have them for 30 days free, right? In the description box, Liquid Edge Pro indicators. You can get them for 30 days free. Go and test them on your chart. You let me know. I haven't had a person who has tested my indicators and be like, okay, like they're not good. So test them. You're gonna get all the SR flip zones that are important, that you need to be monitoring. Everything is gonna be there. Now, so the current range that we're trading on gold is literally the Tuesday candle. Now we're trading in between the Tuesday candle. So that's the question, right? Are we gonna fail that? If we manage to fail here, if we manage to find a sell, it's most probably gonna take us below 5,100 in around this area. Lots of demand around this candle, so I'll be watching for that. So that's anywhere in this wick, lots of demand. That's important too. So monitoring all these areas, right? And imagine if something happens, right? If we manage to push up to this locked buyer up here, that's also going to be a good seller area. This is higher time frame range material up here, right? Because this is the leg essentially. So we're trading in between this leg right now, inside. Okay. Ethereum's pumping. Love it. Love it. Let's go. Let's go. Hitting take profit. Yesterday's, again, the bias that I gave on Discord was completely correct. The thing is, I didn't know when price is going to retrace and what's it gonna do. Like, I have no idea at what point it's going to retrace. So, but it is what it is. Bias is according to our RTM model, which works to the T, man. Like, I don't know what to tell you. It's just good. Don't forget, we have NVIDIA earnings today. This is going to be the catalyst for the entire market. NVIDIA is holding up like Jesus. So yeah, this thing's probably going to hit $200 at the very least today. So they're seeing plus minus 7%. Yeah, that's going to take us around the 205 area. Potentially filling this gap over here. But let's look at NVIDIA higher time frame, right? Just okay. Like, what's NVIDIA? First of all, what is it? Let me know in the chat box. Do you guys know what NVIDIA is? Besides, you know, besides the largest, the largest equity by market cap. Do you guys know what it is? Anyways, so we were discussing NVIDIA earlier in the pre-market update. This is very bullish. Now, from whichever way I look at it, yeah, your graphic card is running on it. Correct. I'm long NVIDIA from 190. Okay, let's go. So yeah, whichever way I look at it, right, you have some sort of consolidation here. Yes, you had a potential head and shoulder formation. You're protecting the neckline over here. You're trading above the most recent SR flip zone, which is at 184.64, right? You had one at 168. What you're doing right now is you're literally confirming the two highest lows ever created in history for NVIDIA. That's what you're doing. And also, if you look at this bullish leg, look at how bullish this leg is, right? So what is that? We teach that, right? This is initiative structure, right? Initiative structure. So what tends to happen, you know, these kind of things resolve like this. Let's see. It's going to be quite interesting. I would really like eventually for this level to be retested. This like around $150. Is it 150? Yeah, around 150, $152 on NVIDIA. Not for now though. Not for now. So you know, I don't know. These guys are. Earnings are, you know, always expectations for earnings for NVIDIA are always good, right? The question is what's going to be the guidance. The question is if we're going to get, you know, if we have a lot higher expectations. Usually for NVIDIA, the expectations are on top of the roof, like they're very high. But in case NVIDIA disappoints with the earnings today, this is going to crash the entire market. So that's one thing that we need to be clearly aware of and, you know, ready for that. Oh, look at that platinum XPT from our level short. God damn it, how did I miss that? How did I miss that, dude? Oh, I hate it. Yeah, I need like 15 screens. I swear to God, I need 15 screens here. Jeez. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It still looks very bullish, so it might just recover 50% of this, you know, bullish 15-minute cluster, this 1 hourly candle, and then continue. But damn, Could be a short. Again, same thing. Platinum. This is the short. This is the big short, right? We've had this level on platinum for months up here. Up here, 2,800. We had it for months. That is the -4 development level of the standard deviation, which I teach in the mentorship, you guys. If you're not on the mentorship, don't talk to me. But anyways, look at that. That was a short. Over here, platinum, brilliant short. And now we're getting a second opportunity down here at our zone, 2,337. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm not gonna get depressed. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. We have all the levels. Like, should I buy more screens, you guys? I don't know. I don't want to be one of those traders with like a gazillion screens. It really annoys me. Copper strong, kind of same thing. Similar thing to NVIDIA. Not exactly the same, but it's still strong. Current liquidity, 6.1. If anyone's in copper, hodl, I'd say. You know. Palladium is also in a very sus zone right now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this bearish candle. Look at this demand. Smashed. So, of course, on a retest, you know, if you're on a 1 minute time frame, this is a short. For example, it doesn't matter. This is 12 hours, same thing. Yes, everyone, hit the like button. So we have 3,000 subs right now. Make sure to share the video like on Twitter or something. Let's get more subs. That would be great. Our aim for this stream is 3,001 subs. Dude, are we gonna catch any trades? Hold on, let's focus a little bit. Anyway, we still have time, so we're not even 9 o'clock yet. It's just consolidating right now. Trigger ready. Trigger ready. Let's see, let's see. Expansion, manipulation, continuation, reversal over here. Still early to say. We're gonna have to wait for New York to get involved, I think, for the volatility to spike. That's what I want to see. Spike of volatility. Little bit of liquidity left here on the 1 minute. Let's see if that's going to happen. So far, we are maintaining true day open. I like that. I like that. But this buy was so good down here. Market watch. NVIDIA reports earning. I know. I know. Tell me something I don't know, please. Are we going to see any announcements from Trump today? That would be cool as well. Let's look at the 15-minute real quick here. Showing a little bit of weakness, huh? No, this should resolve at least a little bit higher. Maybe after the liquidity sweep down here. Dory was looking for buys, I think, at around 5,170. Not bad as well. Accumulating, accumulating, accumulating before they do anything. This is why I thought, should I start the stream like half an hour later? But I don't really want that. I don't really want to start it because now that we're doing it at this time, I have so much time afterwards, like to do stuff, which is great. Before I didn't have that time. So some time is always good. Guys, make sure to join Discord if you haven't. I don't know how many likes we have. I need to refresh the page, which is annoying. If you haven't, 24. We need 6 more likes. Don't slack. 6 more likes. Super chats. Who is going to super chat me? Here. Live stream. Tip. Who's gonna do it? And if it's not working, also let me know why. Dory, let me know why it's not working, dude. The heck? Weakness, weakness, weakness. Same with silver. Silver has been stronger today, obviously. We also have a zone on silver, 93.6, 93.68. That's a zone we're watching as well. For a potential short here. It's gonna be a waiting game a little bit. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. A little bit of retrace here in the 1 minute time frame. So annoying. 15-minute resistance. Tweezer top smash, liquidity grab. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Very dangerous. We need buyers to push here. I don't want to close profits yet. Let's see how much I'm up on this actually. Just 40%. Well, it's not bad. Like I can cut it, but not yet. It does look like it's gonna, it could roll over here actually. Oh, don't like. Please don't follow through. Do not follow through. Yeah, volume's not substantial here. I mean, it's understandable, but still. Come on, wick fill. I think it will trap some traders. Nasdaq, let me check one sec. Nasdaq's moving on Nvidia earnings. Potential sell up here in this level, so I'm gonna monitor that as well. So we're monitoring NAS, we're monitoring gold at the same time, both. Yes, everyone, make sure to hit the like button. Yeah, so lots of resistance in this area, so we could have a potential retrace at least to like 25.032. Let's wait for a little bit. Yeah. So Dotties has taken the RTM course. He knows what we're doing. He knows. Yeah, because higher time frame, don't we have this down here as liquidity? Ooh, it's gonna be crazy. But Nvidia today, like, don't forget, it's very important. It could really like change everything. It could push even crypto, the whole market, right? The whole market. So double liquidity clearance here, pretty nice on the 1 hourly. Again, the indicators, you have 30 days for free, you guys. Just come in the description box down here and grab them. Anyways, double liquidity formation. You take the low, you confirm it as support, you take the high. And beautiful stuff. $12-hourly though, the highest liquidity, so I don't know. Maybe a potential pullback, not more than that. I don't think. It seems bullish for now. And we need to be careful. We need to be aware of all of the time frames, right? So, you know what? Gold back tested down here. If gold rolls over here, it's not going to be very good. If gold rolls over here, it's probably going to retest $5,000. If it manages to break through, like true week open, the SR flip zone at 5238, then we're starting to look at the 0.786 levels up here, which is going to be quite cool if it happens. But again, major resistance level. This whole candle is, you know, problematic for gold. So, what a beautiful buy from the zone down here. So lovely. We gotta wait for Wall Street to join the party. What happened here, Nasdaq? Oh, I see. You have a locked buyer over here on the 15-minute. So pulling back from that, that's okay. Gotta wait for the big boys. Ah, 6-minute in the new, a 15-minute candle, some strength showing here. Good. Take it up to our levels, gold. Very good formation, kind of similar to the higher time frame formation on Bitcoin that we were looking at. Support levels over here from the week opening. Very nice zone. As you can see, the break, retest, consolidation, you lose the area, you manage to come above, tested below, you're trading above it now. So it's kind of bullish for now, it seems, until we reach sort of the extreme of that level for gold and true week open, because so far this week we've been trading below, right? We haven't been trading above, and we've created a weak low down here, so it's worth paying attention to. Uranium also grinding up from the level. Still has time. US oil showing a bit of weakness here at the 66 level. Not touching oil for the moment. Nat gas completely shot itself back to the levels that we last bought from, with a close below. Could be a bearish retest right now for a continuation lower, so I'd be careful with that. continuing to. So what are you guys doing? Have you planned any holidays besides Dodi? I know he's going to Italy. He already told me. By the way, how is this year starting for you guys? Like, is it on a positive, or like, how are you feeling? Besides the crypto markets, obviously. Because I think it's quite all right so far. 2025 came in last year. I was like, this is gonna be it. Skydiving this Saturday. Wow, Philip, that's crazy. Come on. If we actually lose this level, I'll probably like lose my mind, because that was the short idea earlier, but it's consolidating a bit too bullishly. Fire horse things and moving. I'm on pace for my best year yet. That's great, Alexik. So happy to hear that, mate. That's amazing. Yep. That was a short, dude. I knew it. Let's see. We're still in the range. Like, nothing's really happened. We might just be retesting here the demand to just continue higher. Started today, first day of sunshine. Are you kidding me? First day of sunshine? Oh, I don't know about that. You're talking about the UK. FTSE's been doing outstanding, actually. Look at this. FTSE has been on one, dude. Like, honestly, it's just, I feel like whenever you buy this right now, you can't go wrong. You know, it's crazy, dude. So high up. I feel like, oh yeah, potential retrace at 11k we're looking at here. Finally, for FTSE, 1116, I think, before we continue to forge, probably gonna take it to 12,500. But yeah, I'll be looking at this area here for a retrace on FTSE. 11 grand. Your roommate. Oh, it's so nice of you to think about him. He's gonna get a better one. River Baron's fire horse. Yes. Do we have any horses in the chat? UK interested coming down. I'm sure I can check some stuff here. Nikkei record highs. Australian CPI came in high and sticky. AI disruption versus recovery. Market torn between AI fears and deals like AMD/Meta. The tariffs uncertainty, which we spoke about this earlier. The tech earnings, we know that's happening today. The fact that FedEx applied for a refund, you guys, this is just the beginning, you know. So lots of these companies are going to apply for a refund. And the interesting thing is they had to like optimize so quickly due to the tariffs, so their businesses like don't get completely ruined. They had to optimize the systems. They had to think about ways of reducing costs very fast. And they did it, you know. Some of them did it. Some of them completely busted, but some of them did it. So, and now on top of that, they're gonna get some refunds. Not too bad, honestly, not too bad. Yep, this was the short, dude. This was the short for this leg here. It's okay though, still in the range, we can't say anything. Was it your son, Dodgy? Admit it. Yeah. Here's the weak low just developed now. Dude. It's fine though. It's fine. We're chill. Oh, any news here? US mortgage rates hit a 16-month low in Germany. Which I don't really pay attention to these kind of news, but that's okay. Still important to note. We're gonna wait here a little bit. Maybe we catch a buy. We'll see. We shall see. We have a 15-minute area of interest here. Oh, it was not your son? Who was it then? You have people in the politics or something? Number 10? Whistleblowing stuff? Give us the signals, Dottie. Give us the signals. Here it is. So trade idea was correct, but it doesn't matter. It does not matter. We do not chase, we attract. Real estate prices in European Union are crazy. Really? How crazy? Like, liquidity grab over here. Let's see. Oh. God damn it. How did we miss this 15-second here? Double liquidity formation. Up and down. Гараж в Борову не 185k евро. That's so much, dude. What are you talking about? That's so expensive. Oh. €185k. So in Bulgaria, you have the euro now, right? I might be coming to Bulgaria real soon, I'm not gonna lie. I'm invited to this wedding. So, Bulgaria wedding, very exciting. Let's see if this is going to manifest into something. Harakia. I don't know, it's probably going to be probably something homemade. Yeah, that's my assumption, that there's gonna be like a homemade drink of some sort. Adjusting here, so spreads a little bit higher now, so that means we're getting ready for Wall Street. They're probably slowly dipping their toes in. Let's see. Probably reduce size a little bit here. Just getting ready. $9.18. We still have 10 minutes. Dory, how long is your break, dude? We've been on a live for like 15 minutes. Oh, this down here was also not a bad buy, actually. 5176, need to monitor that. 5176. Ten more. Oh, you have an hour. That's great. Waiting for volatility, waiting for volatility. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. Okay, we're retracing the sell-off. That's good. Nasdaq retracing right now. It's okay. Come on, gold, give us something. What do you think about people spending their money on like extremely expensive cars? I never cared about cars, honestly. I prefer a nice chauffeur. I feel like it's more like a guy thing. 7-6. Let's see if our area here, the one we were looking at earlier. Me also, yeah. Yeah, you gotta wait for the big boys to come in. Ordering a new motorbike next month. Where do you ride it? Like, is it like a motorbike that you ride a bike as well? Is it like a motorcycle or a bike? Reacting from True Day Open over here. Let's see. Yep, pretty solid reaction. God damn it. Wait for it. Supply over here. Let's see. Might be a trap. 8 minutes. Ooh, that's one place I haven't been. All right, you guys. If you trade any bikes here, I want commission. 7 minutes. A Ducati, let me tell you. I bet you he wants to buy a Ducati. If I had to bet on it. Oh, he's looking to buy a car. Oh. Fiat 500. Here we go. Let's go. Send it. 6 minutes. A pump the volatility. Yeah, so Dori, if you're looking, this is the cell that I was looking for earlier. In this exact candle. Excuse me. Let's clear that low as well. And then we can talk. Before that, I don't want to talk. Jaguar. Yeah, but I heard these things are not like Jaguars are not very. Hold on, we need to monitor here. Ah, liquidity grab. Little bit lower, please. A little bit lower, please. I'm just gonna get in with a small lot just in case. Long, and then I'm waiting for another better positioning down here. Yes, everyone, make sure to hit the like button. I don't know why the people in the stream are not really updating for me. Okay, so far so good. But I do want an entry lower. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. I mean, I'm happy I scalped it regardless, so it's fine. I don't like the retest here. I don't really like it, but 15 seconds doesn't look that bad. Mm-mm-mm. 3 minutes. Or 2, something like that. It would have been for a scalp, like, it's alright. It's not a biggie, you know? Is the structure going to hold? It should. We have the break here, we have the down leg, so we should stop retesting resistance and rejecting it. Yes, everyone, make sure to like this video if you haven't. 1 hour. These streams are gonna be a little bit longer, I feel. Oh man, I need to pee so bad, but I can't go anywhere right now. Here we go, stepped into the 3-minute area. Let's continue watching. Nope. It doesn't want to. I mean, we have a whole area here, so. Pull another trigger here. Come on, come on. All right, good, good, good. GG. Come on, come on. Push. No, you gotta hold here, dude. You gotta hold here. Let's go. Let's go. And Wall Street's in. Officially. Push it, bruv. Come on. Imagine me talking to the Wall Street guys here. Come on. Ding, ding, ding. Yes, we need some, like, sound effects on the stream. Come on, dude, stop accumulating. I don't like it. They can't push it. Ouch. Okay, 50% of the zone. Okay, can you go now, please? Because I think my stop loss is gonna be right about here. I don't want to risk anymore, essentially. Oh, watching it, watching it. Too weak. All right, good. Out of the woods. Okay, good. Oof, that was close. All right, in profit. Both positions running in profit. Okay. Send, 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 please. Reacting to this supply here, I don't like it. Okay. No. Gordon seems it was the level. It seems. Let's see. I'm in. I have 2 positions in right now. I just can't hold any more than this. This is like the max, you know, that I can take. So stop loss below here. If we can push to clear these levels, I'm fine with that. So, or a little bit more. Let's not get greedy. This is resistance, so okay. I'm going to close the first position that I got in and just leave one. We'll see. It's still a bit early, to be fair. No. It just needs to explode now, or if it doesn't, like, it's not gonna work. No. Respecting supply, it's not gonna. I close. Good. Good position management. Now it's probably gonna bring it from this extreme now. No. Okay, it wants to dump. So that was the sell up here, clearly. We wait. The new 15-minute candle did this, so. But this low is under question now, so I'm not ready to get involved. This low is under question. Yeah, Dory, this was the sell. We were right once again. They brought it back to the extreme. They send it up. Assholes. 15 seconds. Bring it back to retest. Here it is. Low under question. Okay, good. Let's see, I'm managing this. Break even. Canal. Seem like they might hold this level down here. Let's see. No, too weak. Too weak. Oh. Trigger. Come on, dude. They won the low. Okay, take it. I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit. Oh, here it is. Come on, give us something. Okay, not too bad. All right, good. Still reacting to supply. I don't like it. I might cut a little bit here. Hello, Joelle. Oh. Just got on a gold buy right now. Just waiting for them to retrace it a little bit. Make sure to like the video, Joelle. Share it on Twitter. We'll cut a little bit more here, actually. Yeah, right about now. Come on, break the high, break the high. Two minutes to the next 15-minute candle. Let's see. Trading above a 1 minute level right now. Not too bad. Hello, Ross McFlair. How are you? We're in a little bit of a long right now. Down here. My stop loss is literally below this low. I can't tolerate anymore. And we're gonna look for at least a little bit more here. Send it, gold, send it. Good catch, everyone. Nice. Need to monitor here. They might reverse it. Make sure I'm risk-free on this. Hi, Mind Tapestry. How are you? Still at a zone. We're looking at these two candles. This is where the last leg pretty much happened, so let's see. And we're just continuing to hold happily, and I'm gonna pee in my pants in 2 seconds. So can we hit take profit, please? We're not too greedy. Okay, kind of like how this 15-minute candle is developing. Kind of like that. And that's it, done. I'm gonna close some more. And good. Whatever happens. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it for sure, but you know. GG. This time we're gonna hold a little bit. All right, we're just continuing to hold this. Meanwhile, we can see what's happening to Bitcoin. Hold on. Check our Bitcoin trade. Okay, thank you, Bitcoin. Thank you for the long today. We really appreciate this. Up 3%, not bad. Gold's moving, I like it. Good game, everyone. Good job. And good catch. Running nicely in profit, already closed profits. Now it's just whatever. Too many bullish candles, they'll probably reverse it. Guy, take the course and find the levels. Yeah, that's what I've been trying to tell them. But they'll figure it out eventually, you know. Good trade, everyone. Good trade. We're gonna be running here at 200 plus pips very soon on this. Oh, not bad. We are not greedy. It's important to see what's going to happen here, though. But anyways, really, we should be targeting this high right now. But again, this is kind of like the supply that's left. Forge up. Let's go, gold. And here we go. Take profit after 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 take profit. We're not greedy, you know. I bet you, like, if I was a guy live streaming, I would be doing something like, let's go, we are the best, everyone else sucks, everyone else is like so retarded, dude, look at us. But I'm not, and I don't care. As long as my account balance is growing, like, how do I care what everyone else is doing? I hope they're doing good. You know what I mean? All right, Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. Very weak though. Still was expecting more from this, like more liquidity. But has everyone liked this video? Make sure you like the video, you guys. And Dottie, aren't you supposed to go back to work? I'm freezing because the air conditioning is so cold. Silver also here. Look at that stab at the 30-minute liquidity. Look at this mini level. Silver was also a trade, actually. It's fine. I'll get like 15,000 monitors here, and we're gonna be watching silver. We're gonna be watching. I'm still holding this, so I don't care. We're gonna be watching silver. I definitely, maybe I'll get some for my birthday in May. Like monitors everywhere. But GG, running in profit, love it. Love it. And then potentially later for the sell here at true week open, around true week open. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Could happen though. You know, here we go. Send it. Send higher. Retrace this whole short move here. Hello, Eccentricos. So nice to see you. I don't think I've seen you before. You're welcome. Make sure to like this video, please. But good. Still, we are in the supply zone over here, but who cares? We closed so many profits already, so that's fine. Little resistance area over here could pull back. I don't really care what it does. I'm risk-free right now, just writing it. But overall, I'll be super happy. Like, look at all these highs over here. You know, let's just grab them. Would be great if we can just delete them from the face of the chart with a nice bullish candle. But still, we have the resistance here, right, from Tuesday. I'll assume Asia. Yeah, this is Asia. So, and eventually we have to retrace, right? Like, you need to remember, you can't have all these bullish candles over here without you know, any retracement. So, but it's gold. It does happen. It's not like it doesn't happen, you know. We know each other from 20 years. Really? Oh my God. 20 years is a lot of time. Now you're making everyone think that I'm really old. Good job here. I'll be very happy if we manage to grab these highs here. Don't forget, like, this is just one Ross from Kazolnak. Jesus, dude. I don't remember, honestly. No, I'm sorry. Probably if I see your face, I'll probably remember. But it's pretty awesome. You know what's really great? It's also like I was at this so I did this interview with this Bulgarian podcasters and everything, and some dude, it's not some dude, it's actually a friend of mine from childhood as well. He found me and he sent a picture of me when I was like 16 years old. I was like, dude, this is so inappropriate, like, don't do that, you know. But anyways, good catch today. Gold trade still running. Love it. Great job, you guys. Again, if you want to learn my methods and how I trade, make sure to get in the description box and find all of these things, you guys. That's how you'll be able to catch trades on a daily basis. It's right down here, range model theory. These are the links. The indicators are also very important. You get them 30 days for free. This is the link. If you want to come on Discord, Discord is completely for free. If you want to get your VIP role, once you get on Discord, you'll find out how to do it. It's with a sign up with Bluffin or Bitunix, both of which right now are giving you deposit bonuses. You get VIP 3 with Bitunix and 10% trading bonus cashback on Bluffin, okay? These guys on Bluffin, they absolutely adore me, so they give me always the best deals. This is how you can get on Discord with, and that's how you can get the daily updates at the beginning of the day. So, okay, I want to see you guys on Discord. I want to chat with you over there every day. And these live streams right now, we're probably gonna do the same thing for New York session, but on Discord. And by the way, Discord, I'm gonna make it paid very soon, so get your VIP. And that's it, right? We grab liquidity here, and it's probably a pullback area. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? We have another live stream tomorrow. Make sure to watch the pre-recorded videos in the beginning of the London session is where I release them. Watch them, you guys, because that's where I give you all the important news for the day. All right, Philip is out. Good job, Philip. Everyone, good job on the trades today, and I'll see you soon, okay? Be safe, trade carefully.